Okay, good. So now we finished this part, okay, where we have a single phase transformer, okay, and we have a single phase three wire system. Let's move to other connection. The other connection is we have the Y and we have the delta. I just want to recall these facts here in this page when we have the Y connection and once we have the delta connection, and we talk about the voltage levels when we talk about the transformer, chapter number 8. Do you remember when we talk about the transformer connections? Now we will see it here in reality. Let me maximize it a little bit. Now we are talking here about the service entrance, three phase, four wire, Y connected secondary, and this is the service entrance of this combination. So the Y connected, we have 1, 2, 3 wires are together, okay, and we have the ungrounded conductor, three ungrounded conductor connected to this bus bar, the grounded, which is the neutral connected or a neutral wire. As you can see it goes all the way here to this neutral bus bar. The voltage levels, just we want to recall the voltage levels. The voltage between any line to line is going to be 208 volts. So if I just put it like this, between here, this bus bar and this bar is going to be 120. Between this bar and this bar is going to be like 120 volt. Now the voltage level between the neutral, which is going to be in blue, the neutral, okay, and any live between this one and this one, or neutral and phase number 2, neutral and phase number 3 is going to be 120 volt. So we have here two level of voltage. So this is the service entrance of three phase Y connected transformer. Clear? And we have two level of voltages which are 208 and 120 volt, and this is the electrical meter to measure your power consumption. Same thing for the delta connection. Again, I want to recall the fact that in delta connection for distribution system, according to the National Electric Code, we have the grounded conductor, which is the neutral, and we will have different level of voltages. Again, we have the ungrounded conductor, the three lives, 1, 2, and 3, they are connected here to these bus bars, and this is the neutral connection, which is connected to this terminal which we created in order to make the neutral wire, okay, and this is the what we call it the grounding system, and we said that the grounding system will be explained to you in chapter number 6, I believe, yes, which is the ground system. Same thing here, by the way, we have the grounding system, which is totally different than the neutral, the grounded conductor, and we will explain it later inshallah when we go to the neutral. Now my concern here in this combination and the the delta connection is that we have three level of voltages. The 240 basically the voltage between any line to line, 240, 240, 240. These lines, all of these lines will have the 240, the voltage difference between them. But since we have the Y connection, we have to identify the high leg. So this is the high leg and this is the high leg terminal of the bus bar, and it is our concern because we know that the voltage level between the high leg and the neutral will be what? It's going to be 208 volt, okay, and this is the only terminal where we can get the 208 volt. Now the voltage level between the neutral and line number 2, let's say, and the neutral and line number 3, this voltage level between the neutral, this is not the grounding, sorry, the neutral, and line number 1 or line number 3 is going to be what? 120, okay. So as you can see, now we have the three voltage level, 208 between the high leg and the neutral, 120 between the neutral and phase 1, the neutral and phase 2, and also we have the 240 between any line and the other, line 1 to line 2, line 3 to line 2, or line 3 to line 1.